In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Docx in LibreOffice Writer. A Docx file is the modern Microsoft Word format, and LibreOffice Writer can open and edit it without any add-ons. I'll walk you through the simplest path so you can do this on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux with confidence. First, launch LibreOffice Writer. Open it from your applications list or the LibreOffice Start Center. If possible, make sure you're using a recent version of LibreOffice, since newer releases offer better compatibility with Word documents. With Writer open, go to the top left and click the File menu. This is your hub for creating, opening, and saving documents. Choose Open from the menu to bring up your system's file picker. In the Open dialog, find the file type or filter drop-down near the bottom. Choose the Docx option so the dialog focuses on Word documents. This isn't strictly required, but it helps if your file isn't showing or the folder has many file types. Now browse to the folder where your document lives. Click the Docx file you want, then click Open. LibreOffice will load the document and convert it on the fly so you can work in Writer. For most files, this is quick. Very large documents, or those with lots of images or tracked changes, may take a moment. Once the document is open, you can read, edit, and format it like any other Writer file. Headings, paragraphs, and basic layouts generally carry over smoothly from Word. Minor differences can happen, especially with fonts or advanced layout features, so it's a good idea to glance through the first page or two and make sure everything looks the way you expect before sharing or printing. That's the entire workflow. Open Writer, go to File, choose Open, set the filter to .docx if needed, select your file, and open it. If you plan to keep editing the document in LibreOffice, saving a working copy in the native .odt format can provide the most consistent experience. When you need to send it back to someone using Word, you can save a copy as .docs again.